So I got a box from Filaments.ca. I'm excited about this one, guys. It's kind of cool. I'm going to take a look what's inside of it real quick. And he gave me some of these little cards. So in case anybody wants to call them or anything. Filament. Gave me a baby blue filament to try out. That's going to look nice. I've never tried a baby blue one before. Gave me a clear, so that's kind of nice. What is that even? Color transparent. Oh, it even gives me directions on here. It gives me the temperatures. Like this one says it's good between 220 Celsius and 240 Celsius, and the bed should be at 75 degrees to 85 degrees Celsius. Huh. I like that. And the baby blue, that's, I guess, is a PLA, because this one's nozzle is 190 degrees Celsius to 230. Yep, silk blue PLA material, and the clear one is a TPU. I've never used TPU. Thank you. Huh. That's neat. And the piece for resistance. Oh, wait, there's another thingy. There's another thingy. What is this? Filament. Purge filament. Oh, that's nifty. Step 1, temperature 175 degrees Celsius. Oh, step 2, feed. Step 3. Alright, I'll definitely use that. I didn't even know you. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. I didn't have any of that. And we got some black PLA, it looks like. So, I'm excited about this. This is about my third one, and I'm always excited about seeing and comparing all the different ways the same colors look. I'm happy. Alright, I'm gonna go and start printing something with this, and then I'll go ahead and get a video around. So, thanks. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna look at is this purge filament, which is interesting. It says patent pending on it. Even see that, patent pending. Kind of cool. We're going to use it because I sent it, and it's interesting. I think mine actually does need a cleaning. So temperatures 175 Celsius plus preferred. It's pretty much I've read this back here, and pretty much I'm gonna shorten it down and just keep it at a high temperature. They suggest like 10 degrees Celsius below your max temperature. They pretty much want it to be liquefied as it goes through so it can clean it out. If you want to read what they say in themselves, let's try to see that. I don't know if that'll come out or not in the video. Hope it does, but yeah, this seems pretty cool, and I've never tried it before, so thanks a lot for sending me some of this. Here we go, guys. Okay guys, so let's try some of this blue PLA. It's a pretty color too. I want to see how it comes out. I bet it looks nice. Alright guys, so I got the blue sample all wound up now. I'm going to get it on the machine and get it going. I'm really liking how pretty this is. Kind of shimmers. Okay guys, so I'm going to start trying to run this TPU material right here. And I've never tried this before, so I don't know if I need a heated environment or not. I'm going to look it up a little bit before I try to, but I'm still going to try to nevertheless. I don't have a heated environment, so if it doesn't print, that might be why. So it says to print it at 220 Celsius and keep it at a bed temperature of 75 Celsius to 85 Celsius. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. It feels so strange compared to like PLA or ABS. It's like bendier, like much bendier. So my print failed, but I think it's mostly due to, like I said before, that I don't have a heated environment. I really don't know how to run this material, so. But on the bright side, it is really neat. It's strong, like really strong. You can fold it up and bend it up, and it pops right back out into place. Kind of neat. Really can tug on it and everything. Okay, so I think it's about time to open up the black PLA. And here's what it's got on it. Alright, so we have tear tab here. So do that. And it's wrapped. Here's the desiccant package. Looks decent. Gold film. So it says 190 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius for the nozzle temperature. And for the bed temperature, it says 60 degrees to 80 degrees. Black PLA. Kind of a nice spool. Alright. So I'll get this on my printer and we'll see how it goes. So I got done printing with those 3 filaments that Filaments.ca sent me, and came out with a very pretty blue. It's the silk blue. Came out very shiny, and it is a very pretty blue in my opinion. They're black, Also looking very nice. Okay. And I couldn't get my key to actually print with the TPU, but I think that's a personal issue, like I said. I wish I had more of this material because it's a very interesting one, very unique. I like how it can bend and just come back into shape. Might have to get some more of it so I can run some experiments or something. Make some, I don't know. I don't know what I'd make out of it yet, but it seems like it'd be a very good tool to have in your toolkit. So I'd like to thank them again for sending me the material. It was very nice of them to do so. I definitely check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. If you liked my video, like. If you have any comments, comment. And thank you a lot for watching. Have a nice day.